Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.5% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 1.0% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.0% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
India, the world's third biggest oil importer and consumer, has signaled that a spike in oil prices would speed up the transition to alternative energy sources. The yen traded near an almost 3-month low to the dollar and reached a 2-week trough versus the euro, as rising bond yields in the US and Europe lured Japanese investors. El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as its legal tender and Twitter's integration of Lightning payments were likely catalysts in the network's growth.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial confidence at 0900 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.